Welcome to Learn Steno with Prince Amir. Daily stenography dictations, legal vocabulary, and practice sessions to boost your speed and accuracy. Subscribe now for new videos and stay updated.
Drug abuse has become one of the most pressing social challenges of the modern world, particularly affecting young people during the most crucial stages of their development. Adolescence and early adulthood are periods marked by curiosity, peer pressure, and the desire for independence. These factors often make youth more vulnerable to experimenting with drugs, sometimes without fully understanding the long-term consequences. One of the most significant effects of drug abuse on youth is the impact on physical and mental health. Substances such as alcohol, marijuana, opioids, and stimulants interfere with brain development, impair memory, and reduce the ability to make sound decisions. Regular drug use can lead to addictions, which becomes increasingly difficult to break as it rewires the brain's reward system. Mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and aggressive behavior often follow. These conditions not only harm young people's well-being but also hinder their academic performance, future career prospects, and personal relationships. Drug abuse also affects social behavior. Many young individuals who become dependent on drugs may distance themselves from family, neglect responsibility, or join risky peer groups. This can lead to school dropouts, involvement in crime, or unsafe sexual behavior. Substance dependency grows, youth may struggle with financial instability, further pushing them into social isolation or illegal activities. The effects of drug abuse extend far beyond the individual, impacting society as a whole. Families often experience emotional stress, conflict, and financial burdens while trying to support affected members. Communities face rising crime rates, decreased productivity, and increased health care costs due to drug-related illnesses and accidents. Hospitals and rehabilitation centers become overwhelmed by the growing number of cases, placing a strain on public health systems. Furthermore, drug abuse undermines the overall progress of society. When a significant portion of the youth who represent the future workforce and leaders fall into substance abuse, economic development is hindered. Productivity decreases, innovation slows, and governments must allocate large resources to prevention programs, treatment centers, and law enforcement. Preventing drug abuse requires a combination of education, strong family support, accessible mental health service, and community involvement. Schools can play a vital role by providing accurate information about drugs and teaching life skills that help youth resist peer pressure. Stop. Parents and guardians should maintain open communication and offer guidance without judgment. Stop. Governments and communities must work together to create safe environments and provide alternatives such as sports, arts, and mentoring programs. Stop. In conclusion, drug abuse among youth is a serious issue with far-reaching consequences for individuals, families, and society. Stop. Addressing this problem collectively can help build healthier, safer, and more resilient communities. Stop.